My video guide is about removing the browser notifications that are related to this website checkthetrend.com. Checkthetrend.com. This particular website may display pretty filthy information. It tries to make you click on the allow button, supposedly to help you watch some filthy data displayed by these pop-ups. On one hand, these pop-ups are not suitable for certain categories of people. On the other hand, these pop-ups are also dangerous because they try to make you click on this special allow button integrated into it. In case the allow button is clicked by mistake, you may be forwarded to some other deceptive websites. Plus, you will start receiving the great portion of junk advertisements that will be displayed in the right part of the screen. Some of these ads you can see already. So you should undertake the measures and get rid of these malicious websites. Go to the menu, go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy. Site settings, scroll down to permissions and then check notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. Remove any malicious sites from the list and including this checkthetrend.com. So you need to remove all these malicious pages causing such troubles on your screen. To make sure that your system is free of other hidden threats, I strongly advise scanning it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and start investigating your system to detect and eliminate all other threats which could possibly still remain on your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.